we're on our way to get our rentals, skis, and it's so snowy right now. So we're at the ski rental place, and we just got our skis and boots, and then my helmet is here. So we're all set. Now, next we need to go on this little train that will take us to the top of the mountain, and then we ski from there. In the mountain, and there's a blizzard.
It's really windy!
And we were trying to figure out, like, which way to go.
Black diamond? Or that hill that I can't even see where it leads?
It's pretty stressful, so we'll update you later.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
We got out of the blizzard,
Yep.
which is good. It's taken us like over an hour.
Literally over an hour.
I'm not kidding. We left the restaurant at 12:50, and now it's 2 p.m. and we're still not even down the mountain, but we're having fun. And like now, like
And we
look
took the cutest pictures literally ever at this spot.
look at this.
So cute.
Look at this view.
And it's so peaceful and quiet here.
Yeah. Anyways, we're having a good time.
Promise, I'm not standing weird like this. Just had a whole. Okay, hi.
Okay, so now we're on the gondola.
On a like different part of the mountain.
Okay, look at the view. Okay, I'm glad you enjoyed that. So, now we just have to wait up here.
And we're a little nervous about it though.
Yeah.
Because this is supposed to be the hardest, or like just like a harder mountain from what we skied yesterday. So
The Alps overall are just like a lot harder than
like
the
it's like
States.
another level of skiing compared to like Vail
Or Breckenridge.
or Breckenridge. Yeah.
Yeah, but we got it. It's fine.
Back in the blizzard. Really likes us.
This is a whiteout. Like, it's insane.
Like,
You can't tell where anything is.
skiing in like the color white.
Yeah, look at this. There's mountains everywhere. Some
But
of
you
it is,
can't see the mountains. We almost went down a cliff.
yeah, because we thought it was a path. Like, this is the path, and then that's like a cliff. Like, what's the difference? You can't even tell. And there's like people all the way down there. Yeah, it's crazy, but we're just gonna stick it out for a little bit, and then
Get some hot chocolate.
get hot chocolate, and then we'll be good.
And then we're off this mountain.
Yeah.
Because I've had enough
Yeah,
of it.
but we did it. Like, we're doing it. We're good.
Stop focusing on you.
Okay, we finally got off the run. We're still on the mountain, but we found this restaurant. Thank God. This is like a holy grail. We're so lucky to find this restaurant. And we found a gondola that can take us down. So this gondola is gonna take us down and save our day. Now time for hot chocolate. Oh my God.
Clubbing in Switzerland!
Are we kidding?
I'm like a little kid in a park.
Look at this place we're at right now.